Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make cute GIF using CapCut. Okay, let's get started. First, open your CapCut and then start a new project. And then import 2 photos, or you can also use 1 photo and 1 video. In this tutorial, I will use 1 photo and 1 videos. Like this. Next, adjust the ratio to whatever you prefer. Like this. Now remove the background of the overlay clips and I will use the brush tool to erase it manually. After that, just tap stroke and then choose any stroke styles that you like, and then just go to the effects, search for play pendulum, this one, and then feel free to adjust the effects to your liking. And then adjust the positions. Now add some text. Just go to text and then add text and type any word that you want. And then just customize the font, styles, and more to make it look cute. Then tap on the main clip and lower the opacity just like this. Like this. And tada, your cute GIF is ready. Finally, just go to this button and then choose GIF and then just choose the size that you want and then just tap export. And maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.